Hey beauties, it is me, your favorite girl, Jessica Nicole. And in today's video, I will be getting ready with you guys. Tonight is date night. I will not be speaking through the video. I just wanted to quickly get through my makeup and show you guys my go-to makeup look. I love this look so much. But yeah, before I get into this video, I want to shout out my gang, and I'm shouting out all of you guys that commented down below. I cannot post all your comments, so I'm just going to tell you guys in my previous video that I love you all. Your words were so encouraging, and I hope that one day I'm able to encourage not only you guys, but everyone out there as much as you guys encourage me to keep pushing through. You guys, you put so many smiles on my face, it's not even like explain. I can't explain at all the amount of love I felt just in that previous video. So I thank you all. Shout y'all out. Love y'all so much. But I will tell you guys, do not be startled. I wanted to put this in the video as a surprise. My sister will be singing all of my background music through this tutorial. So I hope you guys laugh and enjoy this as much as I laughed and enjoyed making this video. But anywho, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias. I love you guys so much and enjoy.
Yeah, yeah. It's like candy. I can feel it when you walk, even when you talk. It takes over me. You're so tempting. I wanna know, can you feel it too? Just like I do. Ooh. Guys like what? Baby, move your butt. I think I'm saying again. She had comes like a truck. Guys like what? All night long. Let me see that. I like the way the beat goes da-da. Baby, make your booty go da-da. Baby, wanna make go that dong. We do. Should be between me and you. The freaky things that we do. Just keep between me and you. Cause every little thing that we do. Should be between me and you. The freaky things that we do. Just keep between me and you, baby. And when I first met her, all I thought was don't like you ain't gotta freaky on.
Right up.
Hey, yeah.
Daddy, step up.
Oh, yeah. Action.
Not a bag about.
Sweet.
Love me the girl and broke out.
Action.
Not a bat about.
Sweet.
Love me the girl and broke out.
You think you are so fine.
Big shot now right now, man, watch the time.
Stop playing with my mind.
Oh man, that jerk when she will want the wine.
You call me on the phone.
1 hour work and an angel calm down.
And now I want you home.
I can't Jackie girl and I'll lose no stone.
Action.
Not a back about.
Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Remember it was under the sycamore tree. A boy got for bow, I may tell him for free. Remember it was under the sycamore tree. The sun starts shining for me. I tell him it's under the sycamore tree. A boy want for bow, I may tell him for free. Remember it was under the sycamore tree. The sun starts shining for me.
Oi!
Yeah. Oh, yeah, snap your fingers and do the steps. You can do it all by yourself, baby girl. What's your name? Let me talk to you, let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain, you know me. Mad beat music every week. I know the club close at 3. What's the chance to be rolling with me? Back to the crib to show you how I live. Let's get drunk and forget what we did. I'ma buy you a drink. Oh, then I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Shorty, what you think about that? I be in the gray Cadillac, be in the bed like ooh, 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 ooh. We in the bed like ooh, 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 oh, oh, oh. Or put you in a mansion somewhere in West Kansas. Like I say, it ain't nothing to the pay. We could change the last name. What's happening? Cause you look so good. Tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of that big magazine, but you gon' get yourself hurt here. Baby, I want you in the bed just to have a conversation. Really think you need some ventilation. Let's talk about you and me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me. Oh, man. I think she want me. This the motherfucking remix.
Hey.
Yo, my princess. Woo. Far, far away. And she left me alone. Say she's gonna stay. It's not what you do. You hate the thought of being with someone else, but you know that it's over. You know it was true. Let it burn. Let it burn. Ooh, let it burn. Sending pages I ain't supposed to do it. You ain't running games, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say Shantae, I love that's you. Name. You ain't running games, say my name, say my what? You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. And the other day, I would call, you would say, what? Shantae, how's your day? He didn't say that. Today, and it's the same. Every other word is You okay? Yep. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? Lady, am I crib? You took it there. First of all, let me say, I am not the one. Sit around and period poo. Prove yourself to me. I'm the girl that you claim. Why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I'm slowing down the way. Shouldn't be. And everybody's having a ball. Ho, ho.
Yippee-yi-yo.
Until the fellas stop the name calling.
Yippee-yi-yo.
The girls start to respond. The woman shouts out, who let the dogs out? I said, who let the dogs out? Clock strikes upon the hour, and the sun begins to fade. Still enough time to figure out how to chase my blues away. Wait. I turn right up till now, and it's the light that shows me how. And when the night goes, the lonely heart calls.
Get a beat, yeah?
Oh.
I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna hear with somebody. With somebody.
Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Hey, it's Shantae.
And Natalia.
Thank you for listening and watching.
Bye.
We killed it. Nailed it.
Bangers.
Alright, so I just popped some gloss on my lips off camera because I didn't like the matte look, and once I got dressed, I wanted a gloss. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias, and I'll see you guys in my next video.